In this tutorial video, we will be making this part. So let's begin. First of all, click on File, click on New, and open a part file. And then select this plain white. Select this front plane, click on Sketch. Make a circle here at the origin. Make sure that you have selected MFGS as units. And then make another circle at the origin. After that, specify the diameter of both circles. Specify the diameter of smaller circle as 32 millimeter and the bigger one as 56 mm. After that, go to features and select extruded boss base in order to extrude this, and extrude this up to 56 millimeter and check this option. Now let's specify some color. For this, select this option, go to appearance, select metal and select this steel and select this first option. Now so far we have created this much geometry. After that, select this face and click on sketch and make a center rectangle like this. And now let's specify the dimensions. Just specify this dimension 6 mm. Okay, and now select this extruded cut option. For direction 1, select this through all and then click OK. So an extruded cut has been created in this part. And now select this face, click on sketch option and then make a center rectangle here like this. And now make a center line in order to make it symmetric. Select this line and make sure that this is 270 degree. Select the smart dimension and specify the width of this rectangle as 48 mm. Now press the control button on your keyboard, select this line and this center line and select this make symmetric option. If you don't find this, you can find this here, symmetric. We have done this in order to make the rectangle symmetric about the center line. Now select this smart dimension. From center to this line, specify the dimension 90 mm. Okay, and now select this line and just drag it up to here. We are going to trim this after some time, but before, just select this convert entities and select this circle, because we want to make some sketch on this circle, and in order to do that we have to convert entities. And now we can make sketch on this circle. Now select this trim entities, trim this line, all of these lines. Select the trim option again and trim this circle and this one, outer circle or arc. And now you can say the area has become shaded. This means that it is ready for extrusion. Our sketch has been completed. Go to features, select extruded boss base, select here blind and just flip the direction. You can see this direction is not suitable for extrusion. Specify 24 mm and flip it like this and then check this option. And now we are only left with one more thing. Select this face and click on sketch. Now select the circle and at this midpoint make a circle like this, and now specify the diameter of this circle. Click on smart dimension, specify the diameter of the circle 32 mm, and now go to features and simply select extruded cut command and extrude it up to 40 mm. The subscribe button is shown at the top right corner, so please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.